Problems facing the subcontinent 1940 to 1947. The Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. Outline. Background. The plan. Conclusion. Background. A cabinet mission came to India in 1946 in order to discuss the transfer of power from the British government to the Indian political leadership, with the aim of preserving India's unity and granting its independence. The results of the general election 1945 to 1946 brought the two political parties in a deadlock. The urgency to find a solution to this deadlock was very critical by the British government. Therefore, they sent a special mission to India consisting of 3 cabinet ministers. The plan. Muhammad Ali Jinnah made it clear to the mission that the Muslim-majority states must be grouped to form a separate country for Muslims. On the contrary, Congress opposed any idea of partition of India. The mission conducted a meeting in Simla with the leaders of the top party. In the conference, Cript supported Congress and its idea openly. Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, Abdul Kalam Azad and Abdul Ghaffar represented Congress. Liaquat Ali Khan, Nawab Ismail, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and Abdul Rab Nishtar represented the Muslim League. Both parties were reluctant to accept the proposal of the other, therefore the mission formulated a plan which was as follows. The mission proposed to form an all-Indian commission to decide whether to have 2 states or one unified state after the departure of the British. This idea was rejected by Congress and Muslim League both. Congress feared that the commission will agree on partition and Muslim League feared that it might reject the idea. Hence, the mission failed. After this failure, the mission announced its final plan, which is as follows. India will be divided into 3 parts: Hindu-majority territories, Western Muslim provinces and Bengal and Assam. Jinnah accepted the decision, but Nehru was reluctant and stated that after the withdrawal of the British, Congress will not be bound by this plan. On Nehru's statement, Jinnah dropped this plan as he feared Hindu intolerance would fail this mission. Conclusion. The British government's attempts to maintain peace between the 2 major parties of India, Congress and Muslim League, failed back to back. The plan lost steam due to the distrust between Indian National Congress and the Muslim League, and the British government replaced Lord Wavell by a new Viceroy Lord Mountbatten, to find new solutions. Notesreel.com